Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox keys not working. We'll start with some fundamental checks. First, ensure your keyboard is securely connected and working correctly. Try typing in a different application to confirm that your key presses are being recognized. Then, a simple restart of both Roblox and your entire computer can often clear up minor software conflicts and temporary glitches, getting you back into the game in just a few moments. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Open the menu and navigate directly to the keybinds section. Sometimes, custom key assignments or accidental changes can interfere with normal gameplay. Consider carefully reviewing and then resetting your keybinds to their default configuration. This simple yet effective step can often resolve issues where specific keys aren't responding as expected, allowing you to regain full and precise control over your character. Software and driver issues can also cause problems. Make sure your keyboard drivers are up to date. You can usually find these on your manufacturer's website. Additionally, ensure your operating system has all the latest updates installed. Finally, always check for any pending Roblox client updates, as these often include bug fixes that can resolve key input problems, keeping your game running smoothly. If the problem persists, consider more advanced troubleshooting. Temporarily disable any third-party software, like macro programs or overlays, that might conflict with Roblox. As a last resort, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can often fix deeply rooted issues. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide tailored assistance to get you back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.